Is your 2017-2019 Chevy Cruze key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a quick and easy way to regain full functionality, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The 2017-2019 Chevy Cruze key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This battery is widely available and inexpensive, typically costing between $2 and $5. You can find it at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Make sure to purchase a quality brand for optimal performance and longevity. You'll only need a few simple tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. These will be used to gently pry open the key fob casing. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any small parts. First, locate the small seam on the key fob casing. This is where the two halves of the fob meet. Next, insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam. Position it carefully at the edge. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Apply even pressure around the seam. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic. The fob should pop open with minimal effort. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring it sits securely in place. Align the two halves of the key fob casing, ensuring the internal components are properly positioned. Gently press the halves together until they snap securely into place. Check for any gaps or loose parts that could indicate improper alignment. Verify the casing is flush and properly sealed for a secure fit. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons for locking, unlocking, and remote start near your Chevy Cruze. If the car responds, the battery replacement was successful. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, try cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Avoid touching the battery with your bare fingers to prevent corrosion and ensure proper conductivity. For optimal battery life, avoid extreme temperatures and store your key fob in a cool, dry place. Annual battery checks are recommended to prevent unexpected failures and ensure reliability. Remember that environmental factors like cold weather can significantly impact battery life, so using quality batteries is essential.